Hey and welcome back to the channel. My name's Gary. I'm a cybersecurity professional by day. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to extract metadata from images. We're going to find some GPS coordinates and we're going to figure out where a photograph was taken and a whole bunch more. So let's take a look. Here I have my Kali VM and I have this image on my desktop. There it is, my wife kissing my beautiful dog, which is this guy right here. You can see in this photograph, we've got some bricks, we've got some leather seats, there's a menu on the table and some neon lights. Let's move to our desktop. We'll type Exif Tool and the file name, and we get all of this. Quite a lot of information. And it tells us a lot about the camera itself. So let's scroll up to the very top and I'll walk you through this. Here's the tool version number, the file name, the file size, file modification dates, access dates, permissions on the file. It's a JPEG. It was taken with a Leica camera, specifically a Leica Q2, which is one of these, in horizontal mode rather than vertical mode. So it was taken like this, not like this. The software version of the camera itself was 3.11 at the time it was taken. There's no copyright information. It gives us the F number, how big the hole is to let the light in, the exposure time, tons of information, right? And if we scroll down, we can see lens information. We can see GPS, latitude and longitude references. Let's keep going down. Where are we? Here we go. GPS position. Let's copy this. Open up our browser. Google Maps. Paste it in, hit search. And it doesn't work because Google isn't very clever. We have to remove degrees from it. Do it again. And here we go. So it looks like it was taken at Canongate Venture in Edinburgh, which is here. And if you look, Brewdog, Doghouse, Edinburgh. Let's click on this. And this is where you could start doing some open source intelligence gathering, right? Looking through all of the photographs taken inside any of the businesses or locations that are marked on Google Maps. And sure enough, if we scroll down here and click on all photographs, there's some neon signs, but that's not what we're looking for. If we scroll down, there you go. So let's go back to our image. There it is. This neon sign is the same neon sign and seating that's in this image. So that's where it was taken. Now what happens when you upload a picture to social media, the picture and its metadata go to Facebook, Twitter, whoever it is. And when they host it on their site for other people to see, those people aren't seeing the original photograph. If they save the image to their computer and run Exif Tool, it'll say nothing pretty much. They'll get no GPS data, or they shouldn't at least. And Twitter gets that information, Facebook gets to know that information, and that's how the geotagging works. And they use it as part of all of their products, right? Exif Tool is a great tool in forensics. If you have to look at some images or documents or anything really, it's not just photographs that this works on. It'll give you metadata for any file that you provided pretty much. And Exif Tool has a huge man page. Let's just open it up quickly. It is absolutely massive and goes into great detail on how to use the tool. So if you fancy having a play with a few different types of documents, see what you can extrapolate, I recommend you go and check out Exif Tool. It's built into Kali Linux if you're a Kali user. If not, you can just pull it down off of GitHub. Enjoy.